Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.62 trillion. We're down 2.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.7%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, especially due to the fact that Bitcoin has dropped below 40K and it was unable to hold around the $38,500 mark that I have been saying is very crucial. And in the last 24 hours, there's a lot of things that has been happening around the cryptocurrency space and in the financial industry space, which we will get into in this video. We're going to cover everything, but so far we are seeing a market going towards the downside, and that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has pulled down, and there's reasons as to why that's going on. But today I want to go over one thing first, and then to the another, and then to another. So let's jump with the first thing, and that is, if you guys don't know, there's this project called Titan, which was rugged to $0. So this is the tweet. The incident is being labeled the Cuban Missile Crisis after Mark Cuban did a post on Titan. It then pumped 100x, guys, only to be rugged to zero. Never a dull day in DeFi. So basically, if you guys don't know what happened, I'm pretty sure all you guys know who Mark Cuban is. He's a billionaire, very well-known person around the world, and he came out and tweeted about Titan. And obviously, you guys know, if a big figure like that does promote a project, the project is going to have a lot of eyes come into it. So basically what happened was he promoted Titan, and Titan pulled 100x, guys. 100x, and it went up from a couple cents to all the way to $60, guys. $60. But right after that, it was rug pulled, and he also lost money in this case as well. So this goes to show, guys, like, this is not what we want to see. This has scared a lot of people, especially the newcomers coming into the space, guys. We have seen this, especially if you're in it for the markets for a long time. We have seen rug pulls so many times. This is why it's always so important to always do your own due diligence and research when investing into coins. This coin wasn't that much well known. It mainly pumped due to the fact that he came out and made a tweet, and I really, guys, from like, genuinely, it hurts me so much seeing people lose their hard-earned money. This is why you guys don't want to FOMO into projects that really are not even well known, and if it's just one person tweeting it, you don't want to FOMO in and throw like a lot of money into it. This is why I always say only invest what you can afford to lose. This is very sad, very sad, and I'm very sorry to anyone that got into this project. Like, this is absolutely devastating in my opinion. And this was one of the rug pulls. It went all the way from $60 to 29 cents, guys. Like, absolutely insane. $100 down in just 2 days. I'm sorry, 100%. So absolutely mind-blowing. And this is, like, I have no words to this at this point. So that's why you guys have to be very careful, guys. Always do your own due diligence and research when investing in these markets, guys. I cannot stress this enough. And always, invest what you can afford to lose. And also, the reason as to why we are seeing the markets going towards the downside, especially equity markets, Dow Jones, S&P 500, NASDAQ, Bitcoin, and that is due to this, guys. Fed's pencils an earlier interest rate increase. Most officials now expect to raise rates by the end of 2023 rather than hold them near zero. So if you are looking at the DXY index, as you guys can see, we have skyrocketed in this, and this is causing the US dollar to go towards the upside. Meanwhile, we are seeing Bitcoin, Nasdaq, S&P 500, Dow Jones going towards the downside. DXY, whenever DXY does go towards the downside, guys, we do tend to see a lot of correlation between, markets. Whether it's traditional markets or crypto markets, we do tend to see the same sort of what's it called? Same sort of correlation play out for them. So when we do see DXY go towards the downside, when interest rates are low, that's what causes DXY to fall towards the downside, and that's when we do see bonds, Bitcoin, Nasdaq, equity markets, gold, silver, skyrocket. And right now, that is not the case. We are seeing a Bitcoin react to this. We're seeing the equity markets, gold, everything is reacting to this news as of now. But I believe Bitcoin will not be affected much by this news. Obviously, there is going to be some sort of initial effect that is going to play when this is announced. But I do believe that Bitcoin is still going to go towards the upside. Right now, we have broken below that $38,300 mark that I have been saying we do not want to break below. But right now, we're sitting at $37,777. Hopefully, we can close the day above $38,300 mark. If it's unable to do that, guys, you guys know this is the next level of support at this $36,200 mark for Bitcoin, which is a very, very crucial for Bitcoin, and I do not want to see us break below it. But we have one thing I want to point out for you guys is we have built up a lot of support around this level, guys. We have built a lot of support around this $36,000 to $35,000 mark. So if we do break down towards the downside, we could possibly be supported nicely around those levels. But one thing we want to point out is that if we are unable to hold around this level, guys, and if the markets do tend to fall more towards the downside, we could possibly go back to this 33,000 and maybe even test these levels that we did see earlier this month and around this $30,000 mark. Obviously, no one wants to see that, guys, but again, let's be prepared for that, because you guys know markets tend to be manipulated and whales could try to shake out the markets indeed. And one thing I want to point out to you guys is, I don't know, something is telling me that you guys remember just a couple days ago I made a video that the shorts on Bitfinex were skyrocketing, guys. They were absolutely skyrocketing, and everyone was wondering what is causing this much of shorts on one specific exchange happening. And I don't know, something I have not heard anyone exactly talk about this, guys, but I have a feeling someone had some sort of insider news regarding this, guys. Someone had some sort of insider news regarding this, causing shorts to skyrocket on Bitfinex. So that could be a possibility, but again, this is just my own theory. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And if we are looking at the BTC dominance, guys, this is for the altcoins. If you're holding altcoins, Cardano, Vechain, XRP, any crypto assets, especially altcoins, if you're holding right now, we need to be monitoring the BTC dominance charts very, very closely. Right now, as I have mentioned, the Titan coin has brought in a lot of fear, especially from the new investors coming into the markets, and this could cause the markets to tumble down a little bit more. But guys, this is part of cryptocurrencies, and we have seen this over and over and over again. This is not the first rug pull that we have seen. We have been seeing this for quite a few years since the crypto existence. So as you guys can see, BTC dominance went peaked to 46.2%, but right now we're sitting at 45.59%. We're above the 20 and 50 moving average. I would like for us to get below, at least 43% for altcoins to start looking good. But if we start creeping up towards the upside for BTC dominance, guys, this obviously will mean that altcoins will lag further behind Bitcoin, and more interest will keep on building in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will start, gaining that market momentum rather than altcoins. So we need to be monitoring this situation very, very closely, guys. But aside from this, everything is looking not so bad. This is a very, very devastating news. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I honestly feel super, super sorry for anyone that was in Titan coin. Like, it honestly breaks my heart. And this is why, guys, I'm an influencer. You guys don't know, like, I'm not trying to brag or anything. I get so many emails, guys. I get so many emails to promote projects, and there's obviously money involved in it. But I will never, if it was for money, guys, you guys can, if it was really for money for myself, I would have been promoting and taking all these opportunities that I, come across. But I will never, ever share any shady coin with my viewers. I put myself in your guys' shoes first, and then I make a decision. And I have rejected all these offers, and I will only promote something that has potential, that I personally see the vision in. And that's whenever I will come and share a project with you guys. But other than that, I will never do it, guys. And this really, really does break my heart. I'm sorry to anyone that was in Titan coin. It really, really is very devastating. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are thinking is going to happen in the next coming days. Obviously, the weekend is approaching. Tomorrow is Friday. We might see some sort of manipulation occur in a Bitcoin's price around the weekends. As you guys know, weekends tend to be the most manipulated because we do have CME futures closed around then. So we will see what happens around then. But as of now, we want to see Bitcoin close above $38,300 to $500 mark, and I think we will be looking good in the immediate short term. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and please, guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel a lot. It helps me grow and helps my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, especially my day one supporters and my regular viewers. I love you guys, and I do this for you guys, so never forget that. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.